Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a real eye-opener because we'll be talking about something that might have been a long-standing mystery for many of you out there, legal jargon. Specifically, we will be delving deep into complex property law terms and explaining them in simple and easy to understand language. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about terms like easement, adverse possession, or quitclaim deed. So, sit tight and get ready to receive a complete education on legal property terms. I hope you have your notebooks and pens ready. There's a lot to cover, and we don't want you to miss anything. Short 1. Property Law 101. As we begin, let's take a step back and understand the basics of property law. Property law refers to the legal rights that help define and protect the ownership of property, including the rights of possession, use, and transfer. Property law is governed by state and federal statutory law, as well as by common law, which means it's constantly evolving. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into the details. Short 2. Easements, the right to use someone else's property. At times, someone may need to use someone else's property, and this is where easements come into play. An easement is a legal right to use someone else's property for a specific purpose. It can be in the form of a right of way, which is for entering and exiting a property, or it can even be a shared driveway. Short 3. Adverse possession, the right to take someone else's property. While easements allow someone to use someone else's property, adverse possession occurs when someone takes another person's property without permission or legal authority. They do this by occupying the land and acting as if they own it for an extended period. In other words, adverse possession entails taking someone's property without permission but under certain conditions, and the original owner can lose their claim to the property. Short 4. Quitclaim deed, release of interest in a property. Now you might be thinking, how can I release my ownership of a property legally? A quitclaim deed might be the answer. This deed releases an individual's interest in a property and transfers it to the next owner without any guarantee that the title is clear. In simple terms, the previous owner is saying that they won't make any claim to the title of this property in the future, and whoever is assuming ownership will have to deal with any problems that may arise with the deed later. Short 5. Wrap up. Now that we've covered each of these terminologies, you should have a good understanding of the different legal jargon that pertains to property ownership. Remember, property law is always evolving, but the basic concepts related to property rights and transactions always remain the same. Thank you all for joining me today on my channel. I hope you found this video valuable and informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and addressing your legal concerns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update when I release new content. Thanks for watching.